as leaders, are we taking the time to stop and listen to our people? What's the impact that you're having on your people? So you may be focused on results, but can you also focus on the impact that you're having on people getting those results? The perceptions that we end up creating about each other are blind to us. We just, go through life thinking we know who somebody is. We think we know who our executive team is as a leader. It limits us. It limits our ability to be able to listen. And it's this beautiful dance that we all do as human beings. But we don't talk about it. We don't realize it. We work around it. Being able to have those types of conversations, having strategic conversations around how are you interacting with each other within the business.